Hey, what's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Lou. Uh, this is gonna be my first series to this account of basically the road to 1 million. And with this video today, I actually went back to my first ever trading account, or my first ever funding account. That's what I went to. So today, we're gonna try to recover this funding account because at the end of the day, I did spend money on this account, and I would just hate for it to just sit here. So I actually wanted to challenge myself to see if I can actually recover this account while it's at the edge of being blown. So if I have one messed up trade, one bad entry, this account is done for. But I want to challenge myself to see if I can get this into a passing account, if I can pass this account. So today we is looking at USD JPY and NAS 100 right now. They both have great setups, with USD JPY having a massive swing on the 1 hour, which is also with the liquidity zone on the very top, showing confluence on the top side. So we were mainly looking for sales here. It actually rejected off of my line, so it's actually giving me confirmation to stay in, or confirmation for a buy. But in the meantime, I'm going to look at USD JP, not USD. We're gonna go ahead and look at NAS 100 to see if there's any other type of setups that we can actually take here. With the movement in JPY, it actually closed above my trend line, so I'm not gonna take this sell setup currently right now. If it would have closed below my trend line, then I definitely would have taken it. But just to show y'all what I'm actually looking at, I'm going to put this up for y'all. This is all live. I don't really do no cuts and none of that. I'm just gonna show you the real behind trading and how I do it and how my community does it. So on USD JPY right here on TraderView, we have a liquidity zone on the very top, which is already respected for the one time, and then it respected again, and then we also have a trend line setup, which I made here, and that's why I didn't get in here, because the previous candle didn't close below my trend line. If it would close underneath it, then I would have went in for the sale, and would have went for just an easy little one-to-one trade. But since it didn't, I'm not gonna trip on it, because that's not my trading plan, and I'm not gonna force no trade with a account that's already at its peak. So while this is going on, we're gonna go ahead and look at. I'm gonna go ahead and keep scouting around, because at the end of the day, as a scalper, you have to find setups on whatever charts that you're on. And it seems like USD JPY is not keeping the volume that it already has here. So yeah, we're just gonna find our setup. I'm gonna explain my setup while I picked it, and let y'all know whenever I enter a trade. So I'm definitely gonna come back and get back to it. While I'm actually scouting around, I'm actually gonna let y'all know that I actually do have a Discord where I actually send daily entries, daily risk and rewards. We actually explain what type of setups we take, and basically documenting our journey through YouTube and Discord as well. Our Discord already has up to 50 members in it, which is a great start for a very beginning, low end, free. Gotta have that part. We do everything free here because there's no point of charging for this information. We all want to get rich. We all have the same type of goal. So it's just a community just to help. So if y'all ever just wanted to join another Discord and see how our community operates and see what the type of settings that we send in the chat. Just feel free to join. While you join, you can ask any questions. Me or my other moderator will definitely get back to y'all questions and help y'all do whatever this type of journey that you're on. So I just want to add that part there. While I'm looking at these charts right now, I'm looking at NAS 100, which is actually showing some type of confluence at the demand zone that it just approached. This can either be another setup for a sell if it rejects off this 115 minute, if it rejects off this 5 minute demand. I would say 15 for more confirmation, but I don't really have enough time for that. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and knock it down off the 5 minute. In that meantime though, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can sniper an entry for this, hold this out for a 1-to-1 and just get back to the market tomorrow. Cause I'm already knowing I can't make this account back in a day or a week, cause I am down in this account already 94%. And then once I hit that 6%, it's done. So I'm gonna have to actually scale this back up, just like any regular account. No matter if you're trading thousands of dollars or $100,000s of dollars, it's still the same trading. If you can't trade it on the $100, you can't trade it on $100,000. Trading is trading. So, wow, this is actually rejecting right now. Let's see if I can get an entry here. Alright, as of right now, USD JPY is actually showing me a promising 1-to-1 sell. Alright, usually JPY is actually giving a second entry for a sale, and I might have to take it. Because NAS 100 isn't really showing me anything except bullish movement, but I was mainly looking for a sale in this. But not to have any type of bias, we're gonna see how it closes, because it might just want to just shoot up as well off the NAS. Consolidation. There we go. So yeah, be prepared. I'm prepared for the sale right here. So yeah, I got 1 more minute until this candle closes. If it closes below my trend line, that'll be perfect for another sale. It's just gonna be confirmation for this entry. So it definitely can be an easy 1-to-1. good 1-to-1 setup or high probability 1-to-1 setup. I already sent this in the Discord, so if you was in this play, go ahead and let me know. NAS is having confirmation as well. Alright, so it actually closed above my trend line, which gives me confirmation that it wants to go back to the liquidity zone. And with market trend, as of right now, market is actually bearish. Yeah, market's still bearish. But this is definitely finna try to come up to the zone, so. I don't want to take this. NAS is taking off, so I say they're for the NAS. AUD consolidating. I don't want to take that. And GPB is also consolidating. Something I also don't want to take. USD CAD. Nothing too promising today. Wednesday is not really the best day for trading, but you can definitely still get entries. Market still gonna make setups. So with this JPY, we can actually get in for an entry here. We have a target up here. With a very short stop loss. Officially in. I do have a short target zone for a short land profit, just so I can get the wheel moving. I'd rather get the ball movement than leave the ball just standing on the hill, because I can consistently at least make little amounts of capital on this account consistently every day. Then I can definitely pass this account or recover this account and even pass my challenge. So we're just gonna wait, let this ride out. Now the ass is coming. Yeah, so this is actually a perfect setup with NAS. Let me go ahead and show y'all what I'm actually looking at. Alright, so on NAS right now, we have a solid entry because it has a negative demand zone here, which it respected twice. And it has a demand zone here that it has to eventually have to respect, or it rejects off of it. So either this market is going to stay here and break back through so it can fill in the rest of this area, because eventually it does have to fill that zone. But other than that, this can respect here and just keep going up just for a quick 1 to 2 or 1 to 1 setup, which is more likely has to come back to this demand zone and shoot right back up anyways for a higher volumes of carrying movement. So that's what I'm seeing right now with NAS. I'm more likely gonna get into this trade and see how it holds out. So far, the USD JPY one is holding up. It might not hit my TP, but as long as I can be continuous with my profits, I'm not gonna be mad at this trade. It'll be a W in my book. coolest shit I've ever done. This is a 15-minute demand zone. Don't move it. There we go. All right. Until it hits my zone on Nas, I'm not gonna get in. And so far, it's actually a little sliver of it not hitting. So I'm not gonna touch it. I think market did just wake me up. That's why I was gonna take a short little stop loss. It was $10, but I could have definitely had my stop loss way lower. Now I only got like I think $7 in freedom to move. I'm still not gonna give up on this account. That was a loss. Forget about it. Learn from it and continue. So let's see how many setups we can take here. It's not letting me answer. Oh. Dang, that would have been a good setup too, because I literally got it. I know it's gonna go down. So in the meantime, I actually can do this on my straight market account. This account's officially blown. It was a good try, but I just have to get back in the charts, back test, and be ready for the next quarter. Yeah, just basically be ready for the next quarter, because this quarter, this one got blown, which is completely on me, and how much effort and I'm really putting into it. Because when it really comes to trading, you can't really blame anybody but yourself. Because market's gonna be market regardless. So, and only you, someone clicking the button, putting an entry. I would have thought it would give me actually some more breathable room, but it really didn't. So yeah, this account's officially gone. It was a good try. But yeah.